5 seconds to go. Start. Namaskar. Present on this historic occasion, the Governor of Bihar, Shri Faggu Chauhan ji, Popular Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar ji, Vidhan Sabha Speaker, Shri Vijay Sinha ji, Working President of Bihar Legislative Council, Shri Avdesh Narayan Singh ji, Deputy Chief Minister, Shrimati Renu Devi ji, Tariq Kishore Prasad ji, Leader of Opposition Shri Tejasvi Yadav ji, all the ministers, legislators, other dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Best wishes to all of you, the people of Bihar, on the centenary year of Bihar Legislative Assembly. It is the nature of Bihar to give back the love several times more than that has been showered on it. Today, I have also got the privilege of being the first Prime Minister of the country to visit the Bihar Vidhan Sabha complex. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the people of Bihar for this affection, as well to the Chief Minister and Honorable Speaker. Friends, I have also got the opportunity to inaugurate the Stabdi Samriti Stamp just a short while back. This pillar will not only become a symbol of the glorious past of Bihar, but will also inspire the various aspirations of Bihar. Just a short while back, the foundation stones of Bihar Vidhan Sabha Museum and Vidhan Sabha Guest House have also been laid. I heartily congratulate Nitish Kumar ji and Vijay Sinha ji for these development projects. I have also had a pleasant experience of planting Kalpatru in the Stabdi Park of the Assembly Complex. It is believed that the Kalpatru tree fulfills our hopes and aspirations. This same role is played by the parliamentary institutions in a democracy. I hope that the Bihar Vidhan Sabha will continue to play this role relentlessly and will continue to make invaluable contributions to the development of Bihar and the country. Friends, Bihar Vidhan Sabha has a history of its own and a series of major and bold decisions have been taken in this Vidhan Sabha building. Before independence, Governor Stendra Prasanna Sinha had made an appeal from this very assembly to encourage indigenous industries and to promote the adoption of the indigenous charkha. After independence, the Jamidari Abolition Act was passed in this assembly. Taking this tradition forward, Nitish ji's government passed an act like Bihar Panchayati Raj. Through this act, Bihar became the first state to give 50% reservation to women in Panchayati Raj. This assembly is an example of how one can work for equal participation and equal rights in various fields, including democracy and social life. Today, at this complex, as I am talking to you about the Vidhan Sabha building, it also makes me realize that in the last 100 years, this building, this complex, has been a witness to the voices of several great personalities. It is not possible to talk about each one of them due to the dearth of time, but this building has not only been a witness to the creators of history, but has created history itself. It is said that the energy of voice is perpetual. The things said in this historic building and the resolutions related to the development of Bihar are present even today as energy. Even today, those words are echoing here. Friends, this centenary celebration of Bihar Vidhan Sabha Bhavan is taking place at a time when the country is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. 100 years of the assembly building and 75 years of the country's independence is not just a coincidence. This coincidence also has a shared past and meaningful message. On the one hand, there were movements like Champaran Satyagraha in Bihar, while on the other hand, this land has also shown India the way to walk on the path of values and ideals of democracy. For decades, we have been told that India received its democracy because of foreign rule and foreign ideas, and even people here sometimes say these things. But when someone says this, he tries to hide the history and heritage of Bihar. When large parts of the world were taking their first steps towards civilization and culture, a sophisticated democracy was already operating in Vaishali. When the understanding of democratic rights began to develop in other regions of the world, republics such as the Lichavi and Vijsang were functioning at their peak. Friends, the concept of democracy in India is as old as this nation and its culture. Thousands of years ago, it has been said in our Vedas. That is, the king should be elected by all the subjects and chosen by the committees of scholars. It has been said in the Vedas thousands of years ago. Even today, in our constitution, the selection of MPs, MLAs, Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President rests on this democratic value. Democracy as an idea has been alive here for thousands of years because India considers democracy as a means of equality. India believes in the idea of coexistence and harmony. We believe in the truth, we believe in cooperation, we believe in harmony and in the power of a united society. That is why our Vedas have also given us this mantra, that is, let us walk together, speak together, know and understand each other's minds or thoughts. It is further said in this Veda mantra, that is, let us think together, let our committees, our assemblies, and houses be like minded for the welfare of the society, and let our hearts be one. Only India as a nation has been able to present such a great spirit of accepting democracy with its heart and soul. That is why, whenever I visit different countries in the world or I am present on any major global platform, I say one thing with great pride. For some reason, our ears have been filled with one term that has blocked our minds. We have been told time and again that we are the largest democracy of the world, and we have accepted the same because of hearing it again and again. Therefore, whenever I go to a global forum, I proudly say that India is the mother of democracy in the world. And we and the people of Bihar should keep spreading this word before the world that we are the mother of democracy. The glorious heritage of Bihar and the historical documents present in Pali are also a living proof of the same. No one can erase or hide this splendor of Bihar. This historic building had strengthened this democratic heritage of Bihar for the past 100 years. Therefore, I believe that today this building also deserves the respect and honor from all of us. Stop.